everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. For those of you that are new to my channel, I want to say welcome, and for those of you that are a part of the Fab Lining family, welcome back. My name is Crystal and you're watching Fashion, Beauty, and Wine. So guys, let me just start off by saying that I'm happy to be back. It's been a long 3 weeks, but it's been 3 weeks that I absolutely needed. I moved from Chicago to Dallas and it was the longest move of my life. It literally took us about 26 hours, and that was only because we ended up renting an auto transport. And when you rent an auto transport, the limit that you can drive is 55. So we drove 55 all the way from Chicago to Dallas. It didn't help that we had 2 dogs that were sick, that had diarrhea. So we literally had to stop like every single hour. Very long packing process. We had so many things that we ended up selling a lot of furniture. We're not even gonna get into my makeup collection. I have a ton of makeup. So much makeup that I was having problems with finding places to store the makeup, which is just really sad, but that didn't stop me from getting more makeup. So the reason why I decided to do this video is because I have a lot of new makeup that I want to play around with, and I decided why not do a full face of first impressions, or at least attempt to do a full face of first impressions. So I'm deciding that in the next couple of videos, until I have actually gone through everything, I will be doing a lot of first impressions. And so if you all want to see how I've created this look and what new products that I've used, then stick around and keep watching the rest of this video. Oh, it's been a while since I've given you all close up. Nevertheless, here we are. I have a hat on. We're up close and personal. Like, I'm letting y'all see all of me. All of me. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is use the Angel Veil Primer. And I'm just gonna put that over my face. Now, I do want to let you all know that I already prepped my face, so I am fully hydrated and clean for the god. This primer is definitely already giving me a mattified look, but it's not really matte. It's kind of seeping into the pores, and it looks like it's, yeah, there's a veil over my face. Like, it's very ashified. Okay, now I'm gonna do what I regularly do, and I'm going to work on my eyebrows before I do anything else. Today I'll be using the NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil, and I'm using the color Espresso. I'll tell you right off the bat, Espresso is a bit light, like it's brown. I don't know if you all can see that, but yeah, it's giving me brown tees. I might just have to go into my ColourPop stash and let ColourPop just save the day, because I don't know if this will work. Now, I feel like this color would be great when you want to wear makeup but look like you don't have makeup on. But on camera, it's not what I'm used to. On camera, you have to be dramatic, and I'm not getting the drama. So I've already gone ahead and prepped my eyes because I wasn't using anything new, and honestly, you guys are not missing anything. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna color correct, believe it or not, because I have this color correcting concealer from NYX that I wanna try out because I have it. Why not? If it's here, might as well do it, right? So here I am using the color Orange, and I'm just gonna put that on my problem area. So this is the Vault collection, and I'll try to bring it back for you to see. This is the Vault, okay? And it's in a box like this, so it's almost like the size of my head. And then on the back, you have Ms. Jacqueline Hill herself. I had her first palette, and I bought it probably like 6 months after she released it. And when I got it, I was like, I don't know what I was waiting for, because the palette was really good and I really liked it. And so this time I did not skip a beat to get the palette, because I was like, it's gonna be good. She ain't gonna put her name on anything that's not good. And so I went out and got it. But you know, honey, when I tell you, there's been a lot of drama surrounding this little baby, and this is how it looks. You have Dark and Magic, Armed and Gorgeous, Bling Boss, and Ring the Alarm. I want to do something like smoky and red. Like I want to do something just like fire red. So I think that I am going to use the palette Ring the Alarm first. That one is personally, that one and the purple one, those two are personally my favorites. So if I had to choose though, it would be Ring the Alarm. So we're gonna use Ring the Alarm today, and I don't know what I'm gonna do, but we'll figure something out. Anyhow, before I get started, I'm just gonna look on the back and let you all see if it has V2 or not on the back. Now the drama is this: you all know that Jacqueline Hill was gonna launch this collection way back in June, and she ended up pulling the collection because a lot of beauty influencers were saying that the colors were not really blending and not what they were expecting, especially since the first palette was amazing. Once they took the palettes off the shelf, they went and reformulated and made a second launch. It was supposed to be a new formulation or whatever. Some people noticed that some palettes had V2 on, which you would assume stands for version 2, and other people did not have a V2 on the back, which, you know, a lot of people were assuming that maybe it was old palettes that they just didn't throw away, even though Morphe said that they would throw all the palettes away. I don't really know what's the truth or not. All I know is that what people have been saying seems logical. Like, Morphe came out and made a statement and said, no, there's a lot of codes on the palettes, and the V2 means something else, which doesn't have anything to do with if the palettes were the first vault launch or the second vault launch. But I have yet to see any palettes with any other combination of numbers and letters. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is dip into the color Rush, and I'm going to apply that to my lid, and I'm just gonna use that as a base color. The next thing I'm gonna do is dip into the color Alert, and I'm gonna place that right in the crease, but on top of Rush to deepen that color. Now I'm gonna take my Morphe M433 brush. I'm gonna dip into the color Mugshot, and not so much because we don't know if this is gonna make my eyes darker. Yes, and it did. We're gonna dip into the Mugshot, and we only want to put that in the crease and bring it out. Now that everything is looking blended, we're gonna dip into the color Secret, and we're just gonna add that to the outer area of our eyes, almost like a V. And then we're gonna bring that up to the crease area. I'm gonna pat that on and bring that up to the crease area. And we're gonna take that brush that we used for the color Mugshot, and we're gonna blend it out. Next thing that I'm gonna do is just cut the crease, and I don't know if you all need to see that, but yeah, I'm gonna use some basic concealer and I'm gonna cut it. So, you know, if you just need to see. Okay, we're just gonna do the rest off camera because I'm having a hard time getting this together. Okay, so now that I have one eye cut, I'm gonna finish that eye, and then I'm gonna come back to the second eye and do that off camera. First one I'm gonna dip into is Framed, and I'm gonna add Frame to the corner area just to create that transition, okay? Then I'm going to dip into the color Siren. Okay, the next color that I'm gonna dip into, I'm actually gonna use my hand. It's the color Boom. Then I'm gonna go into the color Bomb Ass, and let's hope this one works. And I'm gonna place that right on top of Boom. So the last color that I'm applying is called On Camera. This is what I have so far. Now, I'm gonna go and add a wing liner. I'm gonna add some eyeliner, and I'm not gonna do that on camera because I always use the same eyeliner, but I'm gonna do an eyeliner, and then I will come back with my finished eye, and then we'll do the rest of the face, and I'll let you know what I'm using on my face. Okay, now that that's done, and let me tell you, there was a lot of work to do these eyes. I'm not a big fan of cut creases. Number one, because of the way my eyes are, and number two, because of how long it takes to do them. So big ups to all of my ladies out there that can cut a crease like nobody's business in like 2.5 seconds. The next thing that I want to experiment with is the Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. And no, every time I hear Can't Stop, Won't Stop, it just reminds me of that song. I used to do the little pancake dance to that. Who used to do that? Okay. So I purchased two shades. I purchased the shade Deep Sable and Mocha, and I'm just going to put a little bit of these on my face, and I can't put them on my chest because you all can't see, and blend it in to let you know, to see which one is the best for me. So that one is Deep Sable, and then Mocha is this one. So we'll put Mocha right here. I feel like, so Mocha is darker, and then it has more red undertones, while Deep Sable is going to be a little more, it's going to have a little more of like a yellow undertone. This one is Mocha, and then this one is Deep Sable right here. I don't know if you all can see it, but don't mind my swatches because I have a bunch of stuff on my hand. Right now, Deep Sable is going to do the trick. Come through, NYX. This is giving me full coverage, but it doesn't feel like it. Trust and believe, like I'm not lying to you. This is blending in with my skin flawlessly. This is awesome. That's what's up. That's what's up. Look at my skin is matte. That's what's up. Alyssa, you better come through. This is awesome, this foundation. I have some NYX concealer that I'm gonna do off camera because I've already used it on my channel before, and I don't think you all need to sit through it. So I literally just sprayed setting spray on my face. Just went ahead and did the rest of my face because a lot of the other items that I put on my face I've used on the channel before, so I didn't want to drag this out. I'm gonna use the color Alert. Gonna just lightly dip in there. I'm gonna put that underneath the eye. Now I'm going to go into the color Secret, and I'm gonna put that right on top. Okay, and then the last thing that I'm gonna do is dip into the color Frame, just very lightly, and place that literally in the tear duct of my eye and around the edges. First thing that I'm gonna do is take some lip liner, and I'm gonna line my lips. Honestly, I don't know what I want to do. I feel like I want to use a red color, so I'm gonna use this dark burgundy red, and I'm gonna just line my lips. And I'm gonna take the new lip color that I got, and these lipsticks are called NYX Slip Tease. I'm gonna take this fiery, like engine red. Well, it's not fiery, but it's like a Tuscan red, almost like a brick red. And I'm gonna apply that to my lips if I can ever get it open. Ugh. We'll see how everything comes together and looks. So I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, don't forget to press that thumbs up button. And if you are watching and you're not subscribed, take a moment to press that subscribe button. And while you're at it, don't forget to follow me on social media. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, Musical.ly, and yeah, all of the keywords fashion, beauty, and wine. Now, I haven't forgotten about the 600 subscriber giveaway, and I am planning to do that. I actually have everything, and I'll let you know what I'm planning to give out. What I think I'm gonna do is once we hit the 700 subscriber mark, I'm going to do 2 giveaways, one for the 600 subscriber mark as well as the 700 subscriber mark. So if you are subscribe to my channel by the time we get to 700, you have 2 chances of winning. So the items that I'm going to be giving away for the first winner will be the Ring the Alarm Jaclyn Hill Morphe Vault palette. I'll be giving that person the NYX Slip Tease lipstick, as well as a hydrating face mask. And for the second winner, I'll be giving the Dark Magic palette from Jaclyn Hill and Morphe collection, the Vault, as well as the NYX Slip Tease and the color Decadent. So this is the one that I'll be giving for the second winner, as well as a hydrating face mask. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, this is the time to subscribe to the channel, and I will be giving out these items. So as soon as we hit 700, I'm going to go on Instagram, so you have to be following me on Instagram. I'm going to do a live video, and I'm going to announce the winners. International people are welcome to entering the competition. Just leave a comment in this video, and once we hit 700 subscribers, I will then go on Instagram. I'll announce the winner and what you won, and then you'll have 1 week to email me or DM me through Instagram. I wish you all nothing but peace, love, fashion, beauty, and wine. Bye-bye.